beauties, welcome back. What is going on? So this is an extra video. I just want to remind you guys because there's a lot of new people here and I'm so grateful and so thank you. But I do post every Tuesday and Saturday with occasional bonus video throughout the week. Just depends if I'm getting something new in the mail or if I pick up something new or if you guys want me to review something. Don't forget to hit your notification bell so you don't miss anything, and follow me on Instagram. One of my things that I want to do this year is post more on my Instagram stories. I'm not big on social media, but I know with having this platform, I have to be on some type of social media. So with that being said, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I have been doing reviews on my items that I finished in 2020. So like all my empties, I've been reviewing them on my Instagram page, on my Instagram stories. So go ahead and follow me so you don't miss out on that. And then I'm also trying to put up other stuff that I finish or other things that I'm interested in, and I'm posting like reviews on them or if I'm going to buy them or not, you know, things like that, of that nature, that sort. Today we are talking about 5 brands that I would love to purchase from in 2021. These are brands that I have been eyeing for a while. These are brands that I follow them on Instagram. Their pages are super impeccable. I love following them on Instagram. They are some brands that have been out for a really long time and some others that have not been out for a long time. These brands are not makeup brands. I just wanted to get into other things that you guys might be interested just like I am. So we're going to be talking about clothing, watches, even sprinkles because we love baking here. So let's get into it. The first brand, you guys, that I definitely want to purchase from this year is no other than Talentless by Scott Disick. Now, we all know how controversial Scott Disick has been in the past, but I really admire the fact that he has changed so much throughout the years and he pretty much has revamped himself. Talentless is like blowing up. I am a Scott Disick fan, so with that being said, I have just been eyeing his stuff for a while. I have not gotten a chance to purchase off of his brand, but I'm hoping this year, because his pricing is a little bit higher because of the quality of the clothing and the types of fabrics that he uses and chooses for his stuff, it's a little up there, but he does always have sales. He does offer afterpay, and occasionally the brand does mystery bags. They did not do mystery bags last year. I asked the company if they were and they said no, so I was a little sad that they weren't doing the mystery bags because they did it in 2019, but they didn't do it last year. So anyways, but yes, I am just super interested in purchasing a sweater or two from his brand. One, the colors are just like basic and neutral, everyday type of wear, type of colors. His line is just like cozy, good quality. Customer service, from what I've read through reviews, you guys, is like impeccable. The reviews are through the roof with this brand, and a lot of people are saying that the quality of the clothing is like outstanding. Like it's just super comfortable, super cozy to wear. And the one thing I do like is that he really brings out very unique tie-dye pieces. Like his tie-dye pieces don't even get me started, but like this is one of them. It's like green with these like little yellow stripes on it. Their Instagram feed just looks so fun and playful. He just has like basics every day. You could choose from like shorts to sweaters. He offers socks, beanies, mask. One of the most talked about sweaters that he released when the pandemic started was Please Wash Your Hands, and he also dropped one of the newest sweaters where it says Kim is my lawyer. All I need to say. So yeah, I'm definitely interested in buying some of his sweatshirts because like look at that teal sweater. I just can't, you guys. So that is one of the brands that I definitely want to purchase from this year. The next one we are going to be talking about is no other than Lights Lacquer by a very well-known beauty on this platform called Kathleen Lights, and we all love her. Now, Lights Lacquer is vegan, cruelty-free, made in the USA. They definitely keep their customers informed of anything that's going on with the brand through social media. They are very great with customer service. The reviews are impeccable as well. And one of the things that caught me about her nail polishes, you guys, is that she does very unique colors, and through her choices of colors and even the names, it's very Kathleen Lights. Like you get her her vibe, her uniqueness, her little sassiness, like everything. She puts all her passion and love into her nail polishes, and I've heard that it's a really good formula. I heard that it does not chip easy. Their Instagram feed, they're about to drop the blue collection, which is called It Had to Be Moon. Literally drops on the 7th. By the time you see this, the collection should be up. Just beautiful colors, you guys. Like the Instagram feed as well is just so pretty, so colorful. The way they put the nail polishes on the nails, and they do like little clips and videos of how you can decorate them. She has stickers available. This is definitely a nail polish that I am very, very interested in buying and trying out. I am an OPI girl. Most of my nail polishes are from OPI, but I always get them on sale because they could be a little pricey. Like I think one of the highest price tags on an OPI nail polish is like $15, and that's just a bit too much for nail polish. That's just gonna like chip in like about a week, so it's just a little too much. But because I do follow Kathleen Lights on YouTube and I have been following her for quite some time, I can definitely say that I will be in the future, hopefully this year, supporting her brand. Look at how gorgeous this color. It is just beautiful. That is the color Mia. She has a neutral line out. She's doing blues. She did a holiday winter collection. Just very, very different, unique colors. Like I'm living for it. The next one is gonna be a little different. I mentioned sprinkles, so we all know that I bake from scratch. I'm really big on baking cupcakes. I'm really good at it. I am self-taught just through like recipes and following videos on YouTube. I taught myself how to pipe, decorate, all that good stuff when it comes to cupcakes. One of the things that caught my attention, I think it was, I don't know if it was an ad through Instagram or something, but I found this company called Fancy Sprinkles, and oh my goodness, you guys, let me just show you their Instagram feed. You could totally check them out yourself, but you just want to jump through the screen into their Instagram feed and just eat all this stuff that they make and decorate with their sprinkles. They just dropped a Valentine's Day collection, and it's a collection of 8 jars of sprinkles. It is just divine. They also offer this thing called Prism powder, where you can like drop this glittery, beautiful, different colored powders into like drinks and mix it up, and it just swirls with glitter. It just looks so glamorous, so pretty. Oh my goodness, like, do you not see that? This is the Prism powder in martini drinks. Like, it is just beautiful. They're just, the sprinkles are just so unique, guys. You really need to check them out. If you own your own little business, or you just have your own little business baking outside of your home, you definitely want to check them out because they offer a subscription box, and it just looks so fun. Like for me, I typically only bake during the holiday season a lot, so a subscription box wouldn't be the right move for me. But if you are constantly baking, you might want to check them out in the subscription box, because you get every month for $21 free shipping in the US. You get 3 jars of their sprinkles delivered to your home, and they are unlimited edition sprinkles, or sprinkle formulas that have not been released yet, so you get to get your hands on them first, you guys. So you definitely want to check them out. They're just so unique, super beautiful, super colorful, and the names that they choose for their sprinkle jars, oh my gosh, it's just out of this world, so pretty. Like, I definitely want to try their sprinkles and just get some for this coming holiday season for 2021 and get into the baking. The way they do their cookies, and just like, oh my goodness, it is just so cute. They make me want to just come up with some different things to do. They have this one video on their Instagram feed where it's a cupcake, and they put the sprinkles inside of the cupcake, and then they pipe it and they sprinkle the top of it, and then you break it apart and the sprinkles kind of like spill out, like how they do the cakes with like all the funfetti and candy inside the middle, and you cut it open and it spills out. It's just, oh, beautiful. Definitely want to order some sprinkles for them. Next one is Stardust watch. Now, I definitely came across Stardust watches in an ad off of Instagram. Totally intrigued me. I am not a watch person, especially nowadays, you guys. Like, we have our watch on our phone. Me personally, I don't care for watches. I saw this watch and I was just like, oh my goodness. Their feed also on Instagram is just beautiful. The photos are impeccable. The way they take the photos on people's wrists, is just beautiful. They also offer bracelets, rings, and necklaces to match the watches. The watch wristband is actually magnetic and adjustable, and it just fits around your wrist like that without no issues. Their customer service is impeccable. I've read lots of reviews on their customer service and reviews on their watches and stuff like that. It is just, I literally did not see one bad review about this company. They are based out in Australia, and I definitely want to check them out because I think on their Instagram feed they give weekly like giveaways, and they also do a lot of sales, you guys. Like right now they're running a buy two get one free. This is what one of them looks like. You may not be able to see it, but you could definitely check out their feed. Now I did see like right here it says weekly giveaway. I know they do like weekly giveaways and stuff like that. I did check to see if they were on Amazon, and you guys have to be careful because if you are interested in these Stardust watches, you have to make sure that the watch says Stardust on it and not a different company, because obviously, you know, if a company is doing right, a lot of other companies are going to try to bite off of them and bite off of their ideas, make it similar, and then just put their names on it. But the ones on Amazon are not Stardust official, they're from other brands. You need to be careful on Amazon checking these watches out. I would definitely just go to stardustwatches.com and it'll be official. Make sure that the watches say Stardust on it. But you guys, like even the bracelets that they sell to match with them are just beautiful. I am definitely intrigued and definitely want to get one of these. And that purple, they have one in burgundy. I'm dead over it. Like I definitely want to get one. All right guys, so the last brand that I have been looking for quite some time and still haven't purchased from them is no other than Skims. Now we all know that I am a KKW beauty fan here. I love the makeup, had a little mishap with the liner. We already know how that went. I am a KKW fan. I freaking love the brand. I love the makeup. She also has a line called Skims where it's just all basic underwear, tape for your boobs to put them up in certain dresses, so you don't need like a strapless bra and then it just doesn't look right. Like she is the epitome of revamping undergarments for women for all shapes and sizes, and the fact that most of her like undergarments are skin toned colors that blend in to your clothing and your skin tone is just, that was pretty genius. One thing she is doing a lot is that she's starting to kind of get like on the ColourPop side, and she's like releasing things almost every week, just like ColourPop, so it's a little bit too much. But I am definitely interested in getting some undergarments by Skims. On their feed, they pretty much show the before and after where you're wearing a dress without Skims and then you're wearing a dress with Skims, and how just flattering and everything just looks amazing on you with Skims on. So she's got bodysuits, underwear, bras, thongs, all types of stuff. She's done maternity things. She's got bustiers. She's got, what are those things? Waist cinchers, all kinds of stuff. Basics, boyfriend collection. It's pretty much Kim, like neutral tones, browns, and like bone colors. And even the names that she puts on these pieces is pretty unique as well. There's like a cozy collection, and then there's also a ribbed collection that she dropped that I was very interested in. She also dropped that velour suit with Paris, which sold out literally within the hour. There's also like a cozy knit robe that I want to get from the Skims line. And then there's a line that's called ribbed. Like it's just like a ribbed textured type of garment for underneath, but I can't find it on the feed. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these brands. I'm totally down to hopefully purchasing from each of these brands this year, throughout the year. But definitely drop me comments down below on what you guys think about these brands. Have you heard of them? Do you own any pieces from them? That is it. Those are the 5 brands that I want to purchase from this year. If you want me to do this makeup style, I could definitely, I already have a list of 5 makeup brands, even more than that. of brands that I've never tried before that I would like to purchase from this year. But so if you want me to do a makeup one, leave me comments down below, let me know, and I can do that for you guys. And also, you guys, thank you so much for your love and support. I got my community tab today on YouTube, and I'm just like ecstatic. It gives me a chance to get closer to you guys and communicate more with you guys instead of waiting to upload a video and say everything that I want to say. I have the community tab right now so I can post things that I need you guys to know, or if I want to connect with you guys more, or throw up some polls, see what you guys want to see on the channel and things of that sort. So that's a good thing. We're growing here, you guys. Drop me the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, let me know what you're thinking about buying this year and what brand. Maybe it's a brand that I haven't heard of and I would want to check out. So I love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay kind, and I'll see you in a couple of days. Bye.